Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here we are going with the Couchbase interview questions part 1 and let's begin with the question. So first question is like what is a Couchbase? So Couchbase is basically a NoSQL database. NoSQL database you mean like we can store semi-structured or unstructured data in the Couchbase and same as like JSON documents, images, video, etc. Here is one example I have shown like how JSON documents look like and it's in the key value format we can store. Second question is like what are the key features of the Couchbase server? So first feature is the distributed architecture. In the Couchbase, data is distributed across multiple nodes actually. So it's known Couchbase is also known as a distributed database as we have multiple nodes within the cluster in the Couchbase where data is stored. So its data is basically distributed along across multiple nodes. Therefore, it is known as a distributed architecture. And second is the memory first architecture. So it is known as a memory first architecture as data is first stored in the memory, and whenever you will try to retrieve the data is also first it also comes to the memory from the disk. So it is known as a memory first architecture. Scalability, we can horizontal scale the Couchbase server. Like if we want to add more VMs, we can add easily without any downtime. Fault tolerance is like whenever we whenever one node goes down, we have the other node serving the traffic. Like we have our application of data across multiple nodes, so it's a fault tolerant and it's a very good feature of the Codebase server. So third question is what is a cluster and the node? Cluster is actually a group of nodes is known as a cluster basically, and a node is basically one physical or virtual machine which is known as node. Each node has each node has a service like data service, query service, index, and application service. In the below image, you can see like we have the node 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So node 1 has the data service assigned to it. Node 2 also has data service. Node 3 and 4 has a index service, and the fifth node has query and search service. Likewise, we can distribute the service like backup service and other services to the nodes. And these all five nodes together forms a cluster. Okay. So next question is like explain types of buckets in Couchbase server. Basically, we have three types of buckets in the Couchbase. First is Couchbase bucket. So in the Couchbase bucket, it will store the data in the memory as well as in the disk. And whenever the RAM is full, it will eject the data from the memory, but it will remain the data on the disk. And second, we have the ephemeral bucket. More details you can read from the here slide. Second bucket is ephemeral bucket, so it will just store the data in the memory, and whenever RAM quota is exceeded, it will not allow the data more data to add on the memory. Third is like our